Sitting up straight, your feet on the floor, your hands on your lap. Bring your awareness to the place within your second chakra energy center, just below your navel in the center of the body. And allow your focus, your consciousness, to be seated there, drawing it in with full purpose, full intention. Notice the radiating energy, an orange glow from the very center as a sun shining the essence outward through the front and the back of your body, a spinning wheel dance of energy. And as you observe, allow yourself to blend, to be aware of nothing else but this rotation, this move, this flow, spreading yourself out through it. Mesh with the energy. Breathing in from the center of the earth, rising up rapidly through all layers, through your feet, through your perineum and your tailbone. The energy rushes and moves up your spine and through the core of your body and out the top of your head, where it expands and travels out into the fullness of space. The connection with oneness through all realms to the source, the great mind and oneness. And breathing out, letting go your physical tension, consciously relaxing tensions held in your neck, your shoulders, your abdomen, your spine, your hips, your legs. Your mind flows free within your second energy center. This energy exists on its own. It flows through you. Let it be, let it move, for you are not the creator of it. And as you breathe in, again from the earth heart center, rapidly flowing up through all layers and through your feet and your tailbone, where it moves through and out the top of your head, through time and realm and space, connecting with source essence. So it moves equally into your second energy center, and notice that it expands and shines brighter, moving through the front and the back from the core of your body, just beneath and behind your navel. And it flows out through your physical form, through the space you are in, and all of your energy to the blueprint, your body in essence. And as it does, you notice it begin to take shape, and that all that is blocking, all that has held you down or confused within this region and physical living begins to melt and disappear with this radiant light moving into it. And as you remain allowing the energies to flow naturally on their own accord, as you continue breathing in from the earth, also take in breath through your nose from the space around you. The essence flows in with the air, moving through your nasal passages, moving through, healing your sinus, your throat, your esophagus, your lungs, moving out throughout your entire form. And allow it to flow. And know this divine essence heals, restores, balances. It is the divine intelligence, the awareness, the greatness of life within you. And as an energy being, you come into harmony with those finer tuned energies. And allow your body to move, to respond and react however it feels. And from the higher realms, the light, the connection flows down. It flows through them, for all is one. The connection is instantaneous and ever present. And moving through your crown, your top energy center, coupled with assistance of your highest self, your aware, conscious form, the energy being you are in full. Awareness and energy moves down through your body, touching every cell, down to the smallest particle and beyond, making up your form, those condensed, those not, the space between the atoms, filled with life force, the essence in which you are, is perfect health, balancing, restoring to your perfect state of being, moving through bones, through cartilage, all tissue of organs, through your systems, everyone making up your form. And as it moves through, continue spreading yourself out into it in utter surrender, knowing the divine, the life force is your being, your truth, your wellness state. Let go and accept and allow the alignment and the memory of your energy aspects to remember who and what you are. The energy moves in to the blueprint that your hollow body is created from, a projection of. And as it does, the body of your physical being is aligned in mirroring image. And see and know with clarity, with full intention, what it is you seek in your wholeness form. What manifestations of your body, your well-being, your balanced mental, emotional state, your physical body's functionality with ease and grace. Own it, claim it, hold it as true in your mind, in your heart, emotion. And as you do, your fourth energy center, the heart region, opens, expanding, brilliant green, white light rays shining through. And your mind, your heart, emotion, your second energy center, your first, your third, your fifth, your sixth, the full brain are activated and aligned together. And state or think, I give myself permission to be the alignment I was created to be, to exist as. I am holy, I am whole and complete. Divine essence flows through me, healing freely. For it is my natural state, and I allow myself to surrender into the beauty of that which I am in my wholeness state. I open to experience and to receive with gratitude. I am thankful. Allow yourself to drift, to float, allowing the alignment to be complete. Just surrender, spreading yourself as if floating on water. Sink in. Let go the blocks, the challenges, and holding your mind's eye, your intention, your brain's full focus, mingled with that of your heart emotion of gratitude, of unconditional love for life and self. And envision, know in your mind, in your heart, the wholeness you are claiming in this reality, here and now. And drift off, allowing yourself the time, the experience, the receivership. And when you are ready, after integration, come back to your body, your form, here and now reality, knowing you are whole and complete. And move forth as your wholeness, and repeating often as needed, cementing the knowing of your wholeness and wellness within you. Drift now. Sink in to the beauty and the wholeness you are.